The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Toyota Tundra with the short box. We've just installed the Yakima SkyLine base roof rack system, and we've installed that onto a Retrax XR, the Pro model. That's the aluminum slat. If you want to see a video of just the cover itself, click on the link in the description below and we'll link back to that video. But this is for the rack that we've installed. So this is utilizing Yakima's HD load bar, 68 inches in length. And actually this one puts it pretty much right at the very edge. So honestly, if you want a real flush HD bar system, this is it. But I think we'd rather go with a 78 inch load bar. So we might try to get a video of that in here. So check the links below. If we're able to do that video, we'll link to it down below. But as it is here, so you got the HD load bar, the 68 inches in length, so HD 68, the SkyLine towers, which come in a set of 4, and landing pad 1, which those are half sets, so you need to get 2 of those to make a complete 2-bar system. Locks are not included, they're optional, but we would strongly recommend them because this tower has a quick release feature, so you can pull the cover out, lift it off from the base, and then it's fully removable. So if you need complete access to your bed, you're able to take these bars off super quick. That just drops down, press that cover in, and now it's good to go. So locks would go here and keep that cover from being able to be opened. So you can see here the HD load bar has some handy tie downs on the end, T-slot on the top, but most Yakima accessories out of the box will just clamp right around the load bar. There are adapter kits to allow it to mount into the T-slot if you choose to do so. Here's a look at the front. So with the XR bed rail cover, this slot goes all the way up to the front and to the back, so you can really place your crossbars pretty much anywhere along the length of that track, that rail. So really versatile system. There you go. So really no overhang at all. So again, if you want a little bit more breathing room and more load bar carrying capacity, mounting wise, then go with the 78 inch load bars. So there you go. For complete specifications, as far as weight capacity, all that good stuff, click on the link in the description below, and that'll take you back to our website where you can read all that good information. So that's just a quick look at this Yakima SkyLine HD base rack system on a Retrax Pro XR bed cover. Whew, it's not a mouthful. Yeah, again, link in the description below for more details, but like always, thanks for watching.